Artificial intelligence is pervasive in pop culture. Every company promises superior AI and machine learning technology, but how do they actually measure performance? At Stantec, we stand behind our outcomes, and here's why. We split our data into 3 sets: training, validation, and testing. Let's use our Flood Predictor digital solution as an example. To be proficient at something, you need to train. There are no shortcuts. That's why we use 30,000 hours of engineering model data to train Flood Predictor. This is our advantage from other players in the machine learning game. We use validation data to optimize our model parameters and evaluate our training process. This enables us to pick the best model for our data sets. The testing phase is game day. Did our training pay off? We use a number of metrics to chart our performance. For this video, let's look at F1 scores. F1 is a relatively simple metric that tells us how our model is performing in terms of making positive predictions correctly. F1 scores range between 0 and 1. A high score means the model makes positive predictions correctly, but also doesn't miss positive cases in the data set. Look at this example, where we've input a high runoff. Flood Predictor achieves an F1 score of 0.9. We also tested the proficiency of our model by inputting some of Flood Predictor's data into ArcGIS to see how it stacked up against remote imagery. For example, does our prediction accurately capture rivers and ponds? We analyzed the output and saw that areas that actually flooded had a very high correlation to the flooding that was predicted by our model. You may be wondering, what should my key takeaway be from this video? Well, that there's method to our machine learning madness. We're putting our models through robust testing scenarios to ensure our subject matter experts can utilize the most accurate data that digital technology has to offer. For more information on our digital products, check out stantec.io on stantec.com. And to learn more about our machine learning models, reach out to jeff.alby at stantec.com.